Welcome to my channel Simple Fav Cooking. Here's another interesting recipe, very easy, tasty, delicious, quick of course. All my recipes are easy, simple, quick, delicious and healthy. So today the preparation is mashed grilled brinjal. It seems so sophisticated when I say it in this way. It is grilled brinjal mash. Begun bhorta, Bengali. Brinjal is begun, bhorta is mash. Bagan ka bharta in Hindi. So it is mashed grilled brinjal. The ingredients for this recipe: brinjals are getting grilled on gas stove. Once the brinjal are grilled, peel off the skin and make the bharta. Begun bhorta, mashed brinjal. This is grilled brinjal. I have peeled the skin off after grilling. Onion, green chilies, finely chopped. This is for garnish. I will fry the dry red chili and few slices of onion. These two are for garnish. First I will fry the dry red chili and keep aside for garnish. Let's start the preparation. The oil is already hot. So I have fried them and keeping them aside for garnish. Now first I will add green chilies finely chopped. Now sliced onion. Stirring the onion. The onion needs to be little pinkish. Excuse me. Now I will be adding little salt. If you add little salt in the while frying onion, it will get soft quicker. So after adding the grilled brinjal, I will add little more salt as per taste. So I am using mustard oil. You also try to make this kind of grilled preparation in Bengali style in mustard oil. It gives a very pungent hit when you consume it. While eating, it gives a very pungent hit, and it is best to have it this begun bhorta, mashed brinjal, grilled brinjal with plain steamed rice. Just plain steamed rice and this begun bhorta. Best you can eat. a tummy food, and you will love it. It is so yummy. So it's time to add the grilled brinjal. So friends, I'm not adding any other masala, other like powdered masala, because Bengalis like to have the BHORTA, like with the mustard oil, onion and chili mashed together. That's it. You should try without spices. Just the grilled flavor of the brinjal is so awesome. So it's not required to put other dry masala powders. The grilled flavor is the important aspect in this preparation. So just saute. It is already done. So I am adding little more salt as per taste. The onion also, don't fry it a lot. For this preparation, a little crunch of the onion along with the grilled brinjal is what is the requirement of this preparation. So little crunch of the onion and the grilled brinjal, the smoky flavor, that's it. It's done. I'm switching off the flame, keeping it aside and giving it a resting time. Meanwhile, I will set ready for dish out. Let's start the plating. So in this beautiful dish, I will be plating mashed grilled brinjal, begun bharta. Now time to garnish with this fried red chili. While I garnish, I must tell you, I'm getting a very nice grilled flavor. This is the final presentation. Guys, it is smelling awesome. Do try, and don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Simple fab cooking, and don't miss new episodes every Monday. Do try mashed grilled brinjal, begun bharta, बैगन की भरता, बैगन भरता, बेगुन भरता, grilled brinjal mash.